Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing great because in today's video, I share with you my authentic Nigerian fried chicken recipe, and it is very easy to make. It always comes out delicious, tasty, and nice. To start, I'll pour some water into my pot. This is about zero point 0.4 liter water, and then I'll add my chopped onions. I love to be generous with my onions. After onions, I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 1 seasoning cube. I'll crumble or crush my seasoning cube into the mix. If I was using the little cubes, I would have used two. But because this is the big one, I'm using 1 seasoning cube, 1 scotch bonnet pepper for extra spice, 1 garlic for lovely taste, and 1.5 tablespoon of dried thyme. Then I'll proceed to mix everything very well to give it a good stir, and now it's time to put in the chicken. For the chicken, I'm using 1.7 kg chicken. I'm quite specific with the measurements because I want you to try this recipe and I want you to get the same delicious taste that I always get every single time. After arranging the chicken into the pot, I proceed to add a little bit more of water, and then I'll mix well and allow the chicken to cook for 15 minutes on high heat. After 15 minutes, this is what my chicken looks like. Now, let me open the pot. This is it. It's lovely. It's already cooked and it's actually ready to eat. But because I'm showing you how I make Nigerian fried chicken, I would not be eating this just yet. I'll scoop out the chicken from the chicken broth and I'll save the chicken broth for much later. While I do that, I like to say this. You can also save this video to watch much later. You can click on that like button to tell me that yes, you're liking this video and you would love to try this recipe. Also, you can subscribe to this channel because I post new videos every single week. Now, after separating the chicken from the chicken stock, which will be used much later, then it's time to proceed to the next step in this fried chicken recipe. I'll pour some cooking oil into my frying pan and I'll allow the oil to get hot. As soon as the oil is hot enough, I'll proceed to arrange my boiled chicken in the hot oil. The reason why I love to arrange chicken this way is because I have realized over time that it helps me to maximize the frying pan as well as to reduce cooking time. Now I'll explain. When I arrange my chicken in the frying pan, it helps me to put more chicken in the frying pan without having the frying pan unnecessarily crowded. Also, the more chicken I can fry at a time, the less the cooking time would be for me, overall cooking time. And this is the reason why I just like to arrange my chicken while frying. Another thing I like to share with you is when I'm frying my chicken, as soon as I see those brown spots in the chicken, I know that is my cue to turn the chicken to the other side so that I can get the other side also properly fried. But here is the thing, as soon as the first side is fried and I can see those browning areas, I only have to fry the other side for half the time. And after frying the chicken on the other side for 3 minutes, my chicken is brown, nice, lovely, and ready to be scooped out. To scoop out the chicken, I'll be using this sieve and a little spoon just to ensure that there are no cooking accidents. I'll proceed to put the fried chicken into a basket to remove any excess cooking oil that may still be there. While I continue with this, I like to say this chicken as it is ready to be eaten or to be enjoyed any way that you would like to have it. You can add it to rice, you can add it to beans, you can even add it to your stews and soups. It is perfect, it's ready to be enjoyed. And then I'll proceed to fry the remaining chicken on both sides as well, just to ensure that I have my lovely golden brown shade. And you know, one thing that comes with this golden brown, it's the crunch that you get when you bite into the chicken. So now you know why I love to fry my chicken to have this lovely golden brown color. After frying again, I'll scoop it out of the hot oil, and that's it. That's how to make delicious Nigerian fried chicken. I hope you have learned something today. If you have, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Till I post my next video, enjoy your time. Bye.